In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install Adobe Acrobat Reader. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I will begin this video by downloading all the necessary files for my package, and I will start with Adobe Acrobat Reader executable installation file, and for that I will use the link that I have here. That brings me to the Adobe Reader download page. Here for the operating system I will select Windows 11. For the language I will select English, and for the version I will select the only one that is available for me. Then I will click on Download Acrobat Reader. Then I will go back to my GitHub page, because here I have this NuGet package called template, and I will use this template to create my Chocolatey package. So I will click on the template package, then I will click on the button right here to download the package, and then I will go to my downloads folder. And as you can see here, I have my template NuGet package and also the Adobe Reader executable installation file. I will double click on the template. It opens up with NuGet Package Explorer. And because I will be packaging the Adobe Reader executable installation file inside of my Chocolatey package, I will right click on Tools. Then I will click on Add Existing File. And I will select the executable from my Downloads folder. And as you can see, Adobe Reader executable installation file appeared in my package right here. Now I will double click on Chocolatey install script, then I will click on Edit, and I will go back to my GitHub page, because here I have this PowerShell snippet that I will be using in my package to execute the installation for the Adobe Acrobat Reader. As you can see, it will find the executable file inside of the package, and then it will execute the installation, and after that it will remove the executable installation file from the computer. So I'll click on the button right here to copy the snippet. I will go back to my NuGet package and insert the script here. We need to provide a few values for it. For example, for the child path, we need to provide the executable file name, and for that I will go to my downloads folder. I will right click on the Adobe Reader executable, select rename, then I will select full name to include the extension, because the extension is important, and I will copy the name. Let's go back to the package and insert the value here. Then for the package name, I will give it a value of Adobe Reader. And because we have .exe file, for file type we need to enter exe. And now we need to provide silent switches, because we want Chocolatey to execute the installation for Adobe Reader silently. And for that I will go back to my GitHub page, because here I have all the necessary silent switches. I will click on the button right here to copy the values, go back to my package and insert the values here. And that's it for the script part. Let's save the script and go back. Now we need to update the details about the package. I will click on this edit button, and for the ID I will give it a value of Adobe Reader. Then for the version number, I'm not sure if I'm correct, but I think currently the version number is 23008, then .20421. I think this is the correct version number for this executable. You can see it in the name right here. And also for description, we can enter Adobe Reader installation package. And that's basically all the mandatory fields. Now we can save all the information. And we have our package. Now let's save it by going to File, Save As. I will save it inside of my downloads folder, and I will be using my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository when I will be installing this package. So let's click on Save. And before executing the installation, let's go to the control panel, and I will show you that currently I don't have Adobe Reader installed. Now let's open Terminal with administrative privileges, and let's start typing the installation command. So let's type choco install. And then we need to provide the ID that we entered here, Adobe Reader, without any spaces. And because I'm using my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository, I need to add a -s and enter the repository location. In my case, it's the drive and downloads folder, and I will also add -y. And let's press enter and wait a bit. And as you can see, the package was successfully installed. If I minimize my Chrome, we can see Adobe Acrobat Reader on the desktop. I can double click on it. and it seems to be working just fine. Also, if I refresh my software list right here, we can see Adobe Acrobat Reader in that list. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.